course. Was there really no sound this whole fucking time? Awful. Awesome. So I was talking all that time. Yo, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. Go figure. Look, I have earbuds plugged in. I just recorded a video and the sound was working. I just recorded a video with these earbuds in and the sound was working. But I forgot I even had them in. Any fucking way. Jesus Christ. I did all that talking to nobody. So anyway, fucking A, what a night. Marco, Anubis, Trades by Slade, Pimp Daddy, One Trade a Day, Trader Guy, Chad Dean, James Dean's long lost grandson, DCA LeConte, Dominic Jones, Jimmy Kaffa, Olisa. So fucking stupid that fucking. I can't believe. What are the point of having earbuds? I didn't even know how they were in. Now gameplay. Fucking. Anyway, yeah, please forgive me, guys. Please forgive me. I'm fucking exhausted. All right, so it's 89. What I was saying was I forgot to cancel an order. 89, I just had the craziest roller coaster ride. What up, Jamila? I just had the craziest roller coaster ride of fucking of trading with PA number 89. I did all this talking about all this shit. So check this out. 85 is on day 10. This is what I was saying before. 85 is on day 10. I lost another $111. I lost 2 days in a row, actually. Day 9 and day 10, I lost, but I had a short leash because I set my risk settings. That's what I was saying, if you couldn't fucking tell, because my shit was muted. What's up, making money? So yesterday I had it set to 125. I hit it, of course. Today I had it set to 100. I hit it, and right after I hit it, I was short. Right after I hit it, right after it popped a little and hit it, because $100 isn't really that much of a is a very short leash when you're trading fucking minis. It drops like 10, 15, 20 points or whatever it was. Of course that happened. So I set this in there, but now I'm good. I'm locked in, right? 5,100 is the magic number for 150K apexes, right? Well, let's see, withdrawals. Let's see. Let's just confirm this, right? 5,100. All right, here it is. Required minimum balance requested withdrawal for each period. 150K account. I need to get to 155,100. After 10 days, I'm at 155,263. So I'm fucking golden. I'm going to request a payout. Don't know if they're going to approve it. My metrics are pretty good. What do you guys think? You guys tell me, for those of you that have been paid by Apex, more than once, tell me how my metrics are looking. Let me change my fucking range. Let's say I got this shit. I don't remember when I got it. I've got it after that, but who cares? I just want all of the fucking shit to be in there. All right. So average winning trade, $243. Average losing trade, $207.65. Largest losing trade, $465. Largest winning trade, $880. Winning rate, 68%. It was over 70%, but these last 2 days pushed it under. Not that I'm not worried about that. I did not DCA. I did not bracket trade. I did not gamble on the opening range breakout. I did just what I always do. We'll see, right? We'll see. I hope so. I hope so, Marco. I hope so. So anyway, so that was that account. So then this account is 88. This account needs to get to what is it? What was my biggest day? So this one's like way over, right? But I violated not the DCA. I violated the consistency rule. Oh, which I did not do at all on the 150K. I did not violate the consistency rule. Every day was under 30% of the total profit that I was shooting for, and every day is under 30%. So this one I went a little too crazy one day. So I need to get this thing to $3,359. I'm literally like, what am I? I'm literally like fucking 3,359 minus 3,298. I'm literally $61 away from this thing being over, and I'm on day What fucking day was I on? I'm on day 8. This is on today is day 8, so I have 2 more days to get 61 bucks. Should be a piece of cake, right? We'll see, right? Not with tonight's price action. Today, and then I moved over to 89. I traded 89. Watch what happened. I was actually up $194, and I literally was in the Discord saying, yeah, I'm thinking I'm done. I'm thinking I'm done, because up to that point, it was a fucking pain in the ass. I'm done. I'm thinking, done. There it is. I wasn't really feeling tonight's price action. It was a struggle to get PA 89 to 194. I need 550 more, and today is day 6, so I'm thinking I'm done with that account. Right after I say that, not too long after I say that, I get I get in a short right here. I lose 610 bucks. I lose 380, and then I get in short again because I feel like I'm getting top ticked. So I get in 2 more here, and it pumps. It goes up like, well, I got in at what, 87? It went all the way up to fucking. I got in at 60. Is that when I got in? When did I get in? At 64? No, I got in at 93. It went all the way up to 17, almost 18, 818. And in the process, I also added these 2. I added another 2 at 6, and it went up to 18. So I was literally within like 100, less than 200 bucks of this thing getting nuked, and it came all the way fucking back down to here. Like, and I got out for a gain and ended up being up like 200 something dollars. And everybody was calling me a lucky fuck, right? Look what was going on. Look what was going on. Because I thought, this is why I wanted to play this short. I was like, oh, we're heading to yesterday's high. We fucking blew through it by a landslide, right? And then watch this shit. I guess I wasn't done because I just had to take a short of the previous day's high. That ain't working out as of right now. I don't like this price action at all. Here's me just fucking giving the play-by-play. Yeah, this was. Oh my god. Yeah, this fucking sucks. I'm about to get top ticked. I need this shit to drop 17 points. Account was so fucking close to, not anymore. There it is, just got fucked. This has nuke job. This has nuke job written all over it. I can feel it. Right? Yeah, I figured it would dump right after I got stopped out, so went back in short and down some more. I'm just going to leave this short and walk away, and whatever happens, happens. That's how I feel about that account right about now after being up 194 and saying I'm done now, this bullshit. And then I took a screenshot while I was in the trade. Look at this. I had set, this thing was even worse. This thing was getting real fucking close to being gone. And then the shit dropped. And I was like, almost there, as in gone. This is fucking crazy. Still dropping the Trump gifts just to be a fucking dick. But that's a whole nother story I don't even want to talk about. I'm probably going to do that for the next fucking week. But anyway, that's a whole nother fucking situation. And then look, somehow I got out of the fucking trade. Everybody's like, you look, you lucky son of a bitch. This is fucking crazy. This was it right here. What a fucking, oh, it was nuts. And then, so I'm up like, what was that? What was I up? 200 and fucking, hold on a second, guys. I'm sorry. I don't even know if you guys give a fuck about this story, but I'm almost done telling it. Yeah, I was up 236 bucks. I forgot to cancel out my fucking trades. And while my audio wasn't working, is my audio still working? All right, my audio is fucking working. While my audio wasn't working, I was saying how I can't believe I just got filled again. I didn't realize I got filled in 2. I had an order down here from when all of that was going on, or before that I forgot to fucking exit out. So it worked in my favor some more. So this account, I need to get this. What day is this account on? It's only on day 6. 89 is on day 6. I need to get this because I had a day I did 855. I did 855.20 yesterday. I went over by a little bit by mistake, actually. I got into a trade by mistake thinking it was in my eval account, the new eval. So now I got to get this to 2850. Well, 2851, let's say, and I'm at 2481.90. So I need to get another 370 bucks, and this one's done. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, I know I can. I've had days like that, no problem. I know I can do it, but let's see what anything can fucking happen in 4 trading days, right? So 371 in really 370 bucks really in 2 trading days. And then I got in 91. You guys saw I was in that trade. This is on day 4. This one's not going to make this one. All right. So these 3, 85, 88, 89. This one's locked to request a payout. This one's 2 days away, and I'm $61 away. So hopefully my butthole doesn't tighten up. This one's on day 6. Day 8, day 6. This one's locked. Day 10. So 2750 I'm requesting on this one, and then these 2, potentially, if I could get them to the promised land, I'll be requesting 2,000 on each of those. So this pay period, I can potentially be, I'm 100% requesting 2750. I'm requesting the max on this of course, right? We always request the max. And then on these 2, potentially I can request another 4,000. So I could request anywhere from 2750 to 6750 during this pay period, which is fucking amazing, considering if you guys have been following on my journey for any amount of time. So very excited about that. This one's not going to make the cutoff. This one I have to wait until September 1st. It's already at $1,000 through 4 days. So that works. I mean, that's cool. I don't like whatever. That one I'm not even really sweating. All right. So all I got left. Oh, and I traded my funded futures, my funded futures account, which was literally, that was another account that was $100 and something away from being nuked, and I got it up. Let's see. Let's do the math. I had $534 of drawdown remaining, and I got it up 398 bucks. So I had 130. I started this trading day with $136 of drawdown available to me, and I gave myself some fucking room. So that's good because I hit the daily loss limit for a 4th fucking time, like a fucking idiot. So that's everything that's going on. I have not activated. I do not like this price action. I am not activating my Take Profit Trader accounts until sometime tomorrow. You know what I mean? Sometime Tuesday. Like, it's Monday still for me. Actually, no, it's Tuesday for me now. But sometime during the day, most likely. What up, Jonathan Batista? What up, Rich Waller? What is going on? What is going on? Yo, a lot of breathing and relaxing is going to be happening. Kevin, what's going on? Finally back in America. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Welcome back. Neo, Jamila. Fucking crazy. Anyway, so that was my crazy story. Yeah, it feels good to finally like be a more consistent trader and not a fucking habitual account nuker. I still will nuke an account from now, especially evals, but I'm talking like even in the last 2 weeks. And congratulations to Jamila. She just requested a payout. Speaking of killing it, Jamila just requested a payout for my funded futures. Great fucking job by you. Super happy for you, as always. Because you're a lot like me. We've blown a lot of accounts. You're actually crazier than me. So, what up, Jay White? How many days on 88? Oh, what up, Richwala? 88 is on. I'll tell you right now. Mad Money Futures Trading. What's good? 88 is on day 8. Today is day 8. I'm done. So I got day 8 in the books. I have so on 85, day 10 is in the books now. Obviously, the day hasn't officially ended, but I'm done trading. Let me just make sure all of these are fucking done, right? Exit all positions, cancel all. Exit all positions, cancel all. I wish it was like a lock feature where I could just lock it, but I would have to finagle with the fucking profit and losses. I don't want to do that. And then this one, all right, those are all fucking exited, all that shit. Yeah, so 85, today's day 10, 88, today's day 8, 89, today's day 6, 91, today is day 4. If I go to the calendar, so Thursday is the first day to request a payout. So literally as soon as Wednesday flips to Thursday and that drop down is available for number 85, I'm requesting the payout. And then I won't be able to request a payout if let's say I get 88 over, another 61 bucks. I won't be able to request it until sometime after the market closes on Thursday, which is fine. And then because that's on today's day 8, and then day 9, day 10, and then 89 is on day 6, which is right here. So 7, 8, 9, I will be able to request a payout after the market, after they, update, after the day closes for them on the 19th. That will be my day 10. And then, of course, 91, I won't be able to request a payout until September 1st, which isn't that far away. So, I got what do I have? Fucking 13 trading days left to fucking get another 1,600 bucks with that one. So that's that. That's everything. I'm still. I haven't activated my Take Profit Trader accounts. I'm glad. I'm okay with that. Like I don't need to fucking trade them right this second. This price action is frustrating the shit out of me, to be honest with you. Yeah, Mac. Fucking. Oh, it finally confirmed. I was saying I was also saying. I said this. I love it. I fucking love it. I said big old head and shoulders may be forming, and it was kind of a discombobulated head and shoulders. If you look here, we got the shoulder here, the head, and then this person's deformed. Whoever's shoulder this is, I feel bad for this person's shoulders. This is the longest shoulder I've ever seen on one person versus they're all fucked up. They need the chiropractor. But we did drop. I mean, dropped 30 something points. I was waiting for that actually, and didn't quite get that until after I was done trading. Well, I hit this little bounce here. All right, so now let's move on to fucking 484, which is a eval. Time to fuck around and find out what this thing. And Dominic's fucking with Jamila. Yeah, Jamila. What up, Bowser? Pimp Daddy Trays. The 34 email where, bro? I don't know what you're asking about. It did. I mean, it just couldn't get back over it, but it seems like it's writing down that. But I was just watching just the pattern. I thought it was going to drop eventually, especially after going up. Like we literally pumped. Look at this pump here. So let me go to the hourly. So this is the low of the day. We almost hit it again here. But let's just say from here, look at this. This is an hour-long candle. This is, wait, what am I looking at? Oh, here we go. Look, this is the lowest we were all day. 18,632.75. We went from there to 18,817. So basically like almost 200 points. We hit almost 200 points. And now we're coming back down to earth. Maybe we go down to the VWAP. What do you guys think? Thanks, Trading Star. You guys, anyone who's been following me knows how fucking much of a struggle it's been for me. Just anytime I felt like I was finally figuring things out, I would start blowing accounts again, or I would get really fucking close to payouts and, go on tilt, any of that shit. So like, the biggest thing that's been happening for me, aside from what just almost happened, I'm still nuking accounts though. I probably nuked like 5 funded accounts in the last 2 weeks, 4 or 5 of them. Like, look at the numbers. Like, look, I have, interesting. All right, I have what? 85, 88, 89, 91. So look, just in the last batch, right? Where's 86 and 87? Gone. Where's 90? Gone, right? So there's 3 right here between 85 and 91 that are gone. I only have 4 of them left. You know what I mean? So it's not like I'm not making accounts, but I am showing self control to the point where if I get up a certain amount, I'm fucking good to go. I'm like, all right, that's good, you know. But I'm still having like with my Fund Futures account, I could have easily have been just like Jamila and requested a payout, but I hit the daily loss limit too many times. But I got plenty of days in of profit. How's it take proper trader accounts? They are still pending. I have not I have not activated them yet, and I'm not activating them until sometime tomorrow because I am not feeling this price action at all. At all. I worked really fucking hard to get this account where it is. 88 was pretty much relatively easy. 91 wasn't bad either, but I just don't like this price action. I hate this trending bullshit. I don't fuck with trends. The trend is not my friend. I almost nuked an account because of this shit. The shit went fucking parabolic. Wow, Curtis, yeah. I mean, and that's only a month. What up, Frank? Jojo. Everybody's talking. Everybody's telling Jamila, Jamila's back. What up, Dan? What up, Dan Emmons? What up, FOMO? Trading on tilt, trading star. Yeah, I mean, nothing goes my way in trading these days. Yeah, I mean, that's just that's like a mental thing, but it's also the market is just fucked up, dude. Like I've had plenty of days like that where like it literally would do the opposite of everything I think is going to happen. You know, like when you're feeling like that, and that's the energy you're feeling. Maybe don't trade as big. Trade smaller. Trade half the size. Until you start feeling like you're getting your mojo back. You know what I mean? That's what I would do. Actually, that's not what I would do. I'm a fucking degenerate, but it might be better for you to do that. Maybe someone else could give him some better advice, but if you're not feeling it and you feel like that keeps happening, well, for starters, something I would tell you to do is change your mental attitude, for sure, um, because that has a lot to do with all of this, man. The mental side of this is it's almost everything. So if you keep telling yourself, "What up, Mac? DCA gang in the building." Yo, Mac was there for that shit. Tell me that wasn't the craziest fucking shit, Mac. You missed a nice pump and a dump, bro. By the way, what is your strat, Jamila? Full port all day. Fucking great. What up, Bob Marley? Pimp Daddy. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Frank, Mo, storyteller, JoJo. Yeah, fucking Mac was there for that shit. That was fucking nutty, bro. So was Create Wealth. He was there for it. Bird. He was there for it. That was the fucking craziest shit ever. So fucking funny. Hey man, like Trading Star, like again, bro. You gotta like with baseball. I like to give the baseball analogies because I play baseball. Like they always tell you, like after you could have like the shittiest fucking at bat, right? You go up there and fucking look awful. Take a pitch, take a first pitch strike, take another pitch, like right down, like perfect fucking pitch that you like to swing at, like your fucking pitch, right? You just take it and then you strike out on a ball that's like 10 feet out of the strike zone. You're fucking swinging at it because you get anxious. And then before you know it, 30 seconds later, a minute later, your bat's over. And then guys will tell you in the dugout, they'll be like, yo, just flush that shit. And then the next time you go up, you could fucking hit a ball in the gap and hit a double or triple or whatever. So you got to, I like to look at trading like that. You just got to flush all that shit, man. Just flush it. Flush it. You know you can trade. You know what to do. Just stop fucking thinking you're gonna fucking lose on the trades. It's a fucking mental thing, man. Since I called her vacation girl. You guys are all picking on Jamila. It's all right. Jamila can handle her own. Jamila's a fucking killer. Bob Marley. Bob Marley. I think I said what's up to you, but what's up again? Gold is fucking. Look at gold. Did you really? That's awesome, man. You played in the Little League World Series, so you were on TV and shit, right? Or was it before that? Were you on TV, like on ESPN and shit? That's fucking cool. I know there was a travel team out here. There was a club team out here in Henderson, where I'm at, where I live, which is right next to Vegas, that made it to the Little League World Series, and they were on ESPN, which is really fucking cool. That's so fucking cool, man. How is Jamila's trading going? She just requested 1,200 from fucking My Funded Futures. It's going pretty good. Going pretty good. That's why everybody's fucking picking on her. All right, what are we doing here? Oh, we rejected off the 21. All right, am I in the right account? Let's make sure I'm in the right account. Let me do this again because you know what? After the way tonight has gone, I definitely want to make sure I don't have any fucking open fucking trades. I could have fucking passed out or something and fucking been in big trouble with those open trade with that open trade on 89. Oh, you got that shit. Excuse me. You got that take profit trader money. Exit all, cancel all. That's right, HR. I'll do that shit 400 fucking times if I have to. Hmm. Where are we at on the charts? Where are we at here? Look, I mean, this is the hourly. Let me go to the 15. Look, we didn't even bounce. Like, what's crazy is so this purple line is really a blue line, but it's mixing with the orange pivot point line. This fucking market, the NQ did not give a fuck about the previous day's high or the pivot point on the way up, and it does not seem to give a fuck about them on the way down either. Look, it did not care. I think we're going down to the VWAP. Booking flights. You book your flight to DGenCon yet? We got a ways to go before that's happening. We need to get to 10,000 subscribers. Do I trade 8:30 news? No, I do not, Jonathan. I am sleeping. I'm streaming right now. It's fucking 8:30 news is 4 hours from now. I'm on the West Coast, so the answer is no. Bowser, it's called a failed breakout. I mean, I guess you could say it was a failed breakout. We broke, but damn, bro. We went up 200 almost 200 points from the low of the session. So we went parabolic, and then it hit a peak and it fucking rejected. I think we're coming down to the VWAP or worse. Could you imagine we come all the way back down to the bottom orb or the top orb? The orb doesn't have as much of a range as it did yesterday. Yesterday was like almost 100 points or 100 plus points. I don't remember exactly. Hold on. I'll just go like this. Yeah, so look, the bottom orb yesterday was at 552 and the top orb was at 6. It was more. It was 108 points. Nuts. 108-point range yesterday, but today the range is much tighter. 34 to 52. It's like 18 points. What up, Voltran? Voltaren, I mean, I called you Voltron. Voltaren, what's good? Bowser, like I don't even really think in terms. I don't even think in those terms. Bowser, like that's another perfect example of people Voltaren. That's another example of people seeing shit differently. I don't even think in terms of that type of stuff. But I do think in terms of us, I think we're going down to the VWAP. Yeah, you guys fucking yeah. Like that's the funniest part. Like I sometimes you can listen to me talk about this shit, and I sound like I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. And look, I just locked in another payout, so you don't need to know all there is to know about trading. You just need to see the chart a certain way, however it is that you see it, and whatever you see, you know what I mean. Like just play that shit. Our book suggests 80% of breakouts fail, and 80% of trends continue after consolidation. Yeah, we've been trending basically since the market opened, riding along the VWAP band, and then this happened. This was more than just. This was a fucking pump right here. 695 to fucking 818, 120 something points. 5 minute fair value gap again. I mean, I see gap fills and shit, but I don't fucking again like a perfect example. I don't fuck with the ICT shit. A lot of people do, but I don't. I don't. I've never watched a single ICT video ever. VIX getting its mojo back. So yeah, so when the VIX is going up, the market, the NQ goes down, and they're directly inverse with each other. Create wealth, like my gold short. Oh, gold's coming back. Yeah, gold's kind of pulling back. What's interesting is gold did not hit. I mean, it could, but it did not match the previous all-time high. It got close. It fell short by like $4 or $5. Create wealth. Chief GIF officer reporting for duty. Jesus. Oh, you're trying to fucking. I guess you're trying to pass a 250K. Funny shit. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened with it. Yeah, sorry about that no sound at the beginning. My apologies once again. What's crazy, if you look at gold, I don't know if that's going to happen, but like anytime it pumps like that, like we pumped back up after dumping 100 something points, anytime it pumps like that, it usually dumps pretty fucking bigly. Look at that. All of these pumps, right? Here, down to here, then it comes back up, doesn't quite hit, doesn't quite match to that previous all-time high, and it dumps a fuck ton. Here, here. It's interesting. I think we might keep going up though. The next candle, the next daily candle, could be another big one. Shit. Sorry, guys. Hell yeah. Great fucking job. I mean, also we're at 2,500 now. Are we going to stay under 2,500 here, or are we going to bounce off of it? That's the other thing worth keeping in mind. And we're right at this fucking pivot point from, I guess, last week or 2 weeks ago. That shit still matters. We rejected off of this pivot point. That's interesting. I just like looking. Well, look, anyone who played this pivot point rejection got fucking paid. That's for sure. That's for shit sure. PPI in the morning, yeah. I'll be sleeping. Actually, I got a lot of running around to do tomorrow. I'm just gonna fucking pump. I'll be right back. I gotta get some water. Be right back. Oh shit. We're going down to the VWAP. Tamimi, what's going on? Damn, fucking tired over here. Sorry for all the yawns. My God. What's the ES doing? Oh, I gotta activate my Top Step X fucking. I gotta activate this funded account. I forgot about that. I do have a Top Step funded account now. I just have to pay for it. Fuck them though. What are we doing here? Anything? Dropping some more? I do not like this price action though. I don't know. After what I put myself through with 89, I'm kind of like, fuck this shit. What up, HR? Yeah, I mean, whatever. I'm not a huge fan. Not as of the prop firm. I think the prop firm is solid. I'm just not a fan of how I was dealt with. I don't like the way they dealt with me. I felt disrespected. You know, like Jordan always found the reason to feel disrespected, but I did. I just felt like they just blew me off. I don't like being blown off. I don't know. I just thought I would get something. I got nothing. But I've been sitting on this account for like 2 months. Let me log into this shit. I don't even know about that. Hold on, I gotta hide this shit. I gotta hide my screen real quick. By the way, that's another cool thing. I did not even realize that I've been doing like online marketing since 2005, and for whatever reason, I thought that whatever the password that you are given by the prop firms is what you're stuck with. So like, there've been so many times where I fucking leaked my fucking logins in the stream, and I'd have to end the stream. I didn't know you could fucking change your passwords. Look, I could fucking, where is it? Accounts, profile, where is it? Change password. I didn't know you could change your password right inside of TradeBait. So did you guys know that? I didn't know that. I thought I was just stuck with what was fucking provided to me. But the last time I had a little bit of a breach, I got all fucking, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see if I could change these passwords. And sure enough, I was able to change them. So that's cool. Let me log into this fucking Top Step account so I can show you guys where it's at. What? Oh, it says I have no active accounts. Is that because I passed? Watch this. Let me turn this back on. I have to activate my XFA. I guess I got to sign some agreements and shit. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing that tonight. Watch this. You have no active accounts. I guess that means I don't. I mean, it makes sense. I passed. That's not a bad idea, Dominic. Your new nickname is Jordy. Nice to meet you. I'm Dickweed. Yeah, HR. Yeah, some shit like that. They want to collaborate. Why would I ever fucking put all of my eggs in one prop firm's basket? That's just fucking not forget about from that perspective, but just in general. Why would anybody who's in this prop firm game trading with these accounts, why would anybody put all of their eggs in Apex's basket, right? Or take profit traders or my funded futures? Like I would rather fucking they all have different rules and maybe our depending, maybe somebody, some of our fucking trading styles are better suited for certain prop firms. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Either way, I ain't doing that shit. Yeah, I'm Dominic. I like Top Step X. It's not bad. I like Tradeovate more. No, Top Step X isn't bad. It's not bad. It's just different. You know what I mean? Like if you're used to trading on Rhythmic or Tradeovate, it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. Is shit going to go up? What are we doing here? Yeah, I don't know if they'll let me just switch over though. I might be stuck with Top Step X because that's what I used. Really, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna sweat it. I know that support is if they give you the option without you having to fucking reach out to support, then I might do it. But if I'm gonna have to fucking reach out to support and wait 2 weeks for them to get back to me, I'll just stick with fucking Top Step X. It's not that big of a deal for me. Definitely, I know that their support is backed up. Wendy connected you to a rep. What on the chat? Yeah, I'll fuck around with it tomorrow or later or whatever. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush, to be honest with you. Not because of the 149, but just because like you know, I'm not trying to force any of this shit. But I do like the idea of being able to pull money after 5 days of $200 or more in profit minimum. I've only been on for 50 minutes. Feels like I've been on for like 2 hours. I'm getting fucking tired. What are we doing here? This price action kind of sucks. Robot Chicken. Robot Chicken was actually pretty funny, although Seth Green is a pedo. But Robot Chicken was actually really fucking funny. Especially all the Star Wars shit. What's up, Adam P? What's up, Adam P? I don't know. I don't really know. I've only traded. I traded with Topstep for like a week, and then I stopped trading it for like 2 months, and then just started trading this account that kept getting rebuilt every month for $19. So I fucking decided to trade it last week, and I passed. I got it over yesterday. I traded 3 days in the last week, and I got it over. So I don't know. Yeah. Have I tried Motive Wave? No, I've heard of it. I think I could use that on a Mac, right? It's like Quantower, right? Isn't it something like Quantower? But you can use it on Mac. Honestly, though, what's interesting is you can't download from Mac OS Apple Silicon. Is that M1? Download from Mac OS Intel. That's what these laptops are on. They're running Intel. I just don't want to have to fucking pay for a third-party software. Interesting. Interesting. I'm just looking at their site. Mac native. Sell you what account? Dominic Jones. Sell you what? The Top Step account? No, I do have credentials on there. I just need to fucking trade it. I need to pay the whatchamacallit. I need to pay the upgrade fee. I got the email from Michael Paytak or whatever his name is. He sent me a personal email saying, "Congratulations." Where is that shit? You're a certified funded trader. Share with your network. Why would I share with my network? So I can give away the milk for free? Get the fuck out of here. Oh, I got my little certification. You want to see this? I used to get excited about this shit. Watch this. I used to give a shit about this when I passed my first Apex account and they gave you the little fucking certificate or whatever, the fucking I used to be like, woo! The first time I passed, I was like, fuck yeah. Yeah, buddy. This thing. Look at that. I'm certified. Yeah. Anyway. Anywho, enough of that shit. Oh, you guys saw my last name? Yeah, that is my last name. Don't be late. Don't be late. What's my opinion on ICT? I know some people, if you could see the charts, the way they, you know, outline it, if you could see it, you can make it work. I know people that make it work. That's all they do is trade ICT. I don't have an opinion on it. I don't think it's bad. I just don't use it. I do like the idea of the fair value gap. I see that. I've seen like filling the gaps. It's not like this revolutionary shit, but and a lot of the strategies have been around before the guy claimed them as his own. But either way, whatever he did good marketing, and people think that he's the one who invented all of it. That's fine. But people do really well with it. People that can see the charts, and that's the thing. Like, just because it works good for for let's say I'm just using Bowser as an example. I don't know if Bowser trades ICT, uses ICT concepts, but let's just say it works for him and he kills it with ICT. It doesn't mean you will, because it really all depends on how you see the charts and what you see. You might not, it might not be your thing. I like fucking around with change of direction stuff. I like, and sometimes it doesn't work. I like the orb. I like the pivot points. I like the VWAP. You know, doesn't always work. I like the 34. I like the 1 minute 34 EMA and SMA. the 5-minute 21 EMA, which is the 105 on the 1 minute. Dominic, I did pass that shit with ease. I did. That was one of the easiest fucking. Well, no, I mean I've passed. Well, you can't pass them in one shot though. That's the thing about the top steps and the take profit traders. You can't pass them in one shot. I've passed so many of those with Apex. What happened? We got people beefing in the chat. Like, some people work it. I mean, some people make it work. Like Patrick, I know Patrick Weiland makes fun of it. He calls ICT I can't trade. It's actually pretty funny. He's a good troll. I love me a good troll. Troll, it's got to be done right. Like Elon Musk is a fucking awesome troll. Donald Trump is a good troll. I mean, shit, he's one of the best. I love me a good troll. Patrick Weiland is a good troll. Matt Leach from My Friend the Futures fucks with people all the time. He's a master troll. He fucks with everybody in the prop firm space. ZDT. Yeah, from what I understand, there's no consistency rule. You literally can do whatever you want, from what I understand, with Top Step. Um, you have to have 5 days of $200 or more in profit. Yeah, I didn't deny it for years. I just don't want to. I don't like giving away the milk for free, so that's why I don't really give it any run. Won't be making any update videos. Maybe if I could get to a payout, I might make an update video. Yeah, this fucking price action sucks. I'm sorry I haven't taken any trades since those first two where you didn't hear me talking. Um, this price action fucking blows. It's probably going to be like the NQ and the ES are probably going to be like this until for another couple of hours. Yeah, thank you, HR. Thank you. Yeah, and my strat has nothing to do with ICT, and there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of people who trade, a lot of people, not everybody. I mean, there's people that there's a lot of people that hang out on the stream that trade it, but there's some people that like it's like the fucking gospel, and they think they're spreading the good news or some shit. Like it's just a trading strategy. But it doesn't work for everybody because not everybody sees the charts the same way. That's what people need to understand. Like even what I see, like just because I see like there's 80 people hanging out here. If we all tried to break down how we see the charts, there'd be 80 different fucking answers. 80 different things written on a piece of paper. Voltaren is just fucking. What up, Cryogenic? 200 days is only for 30 days. That's interesting. It's good to know. If you can make it for 30 days. Yeah, I mean, there's trend lines. Again, see that like Voltaren, see Voltaren's like, yeah, if you just, trend lines and head and shoulder patterns will do just fine. That's fine. Like, I hate trading trend. I am not the best trend trader. It's something I want to get better at, but I am perfectly fine with not fucking with the trend. Although there have been times where I wish I did see the trend a little better and just fucking run along with it. It takes a lot of discipline to stay in a trade when it's doing this. Like right here, like we ran down this 9 EMA, bounced off the 21 here, and then just kept riding down it. Like it takes a lot of discipline to stay in this trade right here. And just there's some people, right? Like there's people that trade the trend, right? And they know for a fact Well, I mean, it could have broke here, but let's say if it breaks the trend, right? It goes over. This is the VWAP band. This little dash line here, like, and you had the 9 EMA. Some people are like, I'm fucking holding this shit. I know it's gonna, as long as it stays underneath this line, it's gonna fucking keep going down. And sure enough, it does. And eventually, it crosses back over. Yes, funny, 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 funny. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this fucking price action. Look, this is literally going fucking sideways. Like, what's the range here? 37 to fucking 49. It's a 12-point range, and it's consolidating. So it's going to break at some point. We have a new hour, and nothing happened in this new hour. That's, whatever. All this time, fucking Voltaren and fucking Adam P are going back and forth about ICT, and Voltaren is making fun of Adam about ICP. Meanwhile, he's an ICT trader. ICT trader. That's fucking hilarious. Trolling on a million. Oh, look, is this going to go up more than 12 points? Oh, that's hysterical. He got you, man. You got him. What up, Joey Freedom? Yeah, market's just going to go sideways until the PPI until fucking PPI happens. Yeah, this is for the birds. 39.25 to 48. Not even 9 points. 8.5 points. But I mean, shit. All of these PAs are looking good. So is my MyFund Futures account. I do need to activate I got to pay the upgrade fee for Top Step, and I got to activate my Take Profit Traders as well. I just don't love this shit, this chop. All right, look, hold on a second. Are we in the range? Uh-oh, we just broke that shit. We just broke it. That's a nice candle. It's not even that big. It's a 12-point candle. Wow. Let's take a trade, even though I should probably be going to fucking sleep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's only 6 points. Where are we at the VWAP yet? Oh, it's coming. It's so fucking close. 719. I should have waited for that. I totally forgot about that. The VWAP. Oh, what the fuck? What did I do? Did I add to this? I did add to it. That worked. I didn't even. I meant to fucking. That's fucking funny. There we go. Lucky fucking bastard. All right. 317. I think it still goes up. HR. German economic sentiment went down 42 to 18. That's pretty bad, right? Sounds pretty fucking bad at least. Reading that sounds awful. Yeah. It's all transitory, guys. It's transitory. We're not in a recession. I'm just paying fucking 40 and 50% more for fucking groceries every time I go to the store, bro. No recession here, guys. No recession. Everything is fucking great. Damn, this went up. How many more points did this go up? Well, I got this like towards the top. I mean, this one could have been another 4 points. Oh shit, this shit is all over the place. You know what I haven't done yet? I've not dropped a single link in this chat. I'm going to do it right now. Get it out of the way. Take Profit Trader, by the way, 50% off. Take Profit Trader, 50% off any size test account, 100% refund on after your first withdrawal on your test fee, which is pretty cool. There's my link. Apex, 80%. Apex's 80% off is ending like in a couple of days, actually, on the 15th. Yeah, it's not. It doesn't matter. Shit still costs money, bro. It's harder. You know what? Sometimes it's harder to own a business than it is to fucking just have a job, and you could just show. All you have to do is show up, and you're gonna get your check. Sometimes business doesn't. Business is like business goes like this. Business doesn't just go like this. Business goes like this. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. What up, JJ? Yeah, we're definitely in a recession, man. They just changed the definition. Increased costs mean increased fucking inflation. Inflation is fucking killing everybody. I shouldn't. I used to be able to get fucking slices of pizza for fucking, you know, a few bucks. Now I get 3 slices of pizza with onions with no drink, and it's fucking $15. That's not. How are we not in a fucking recession? Our fucking economy is worse than the Great Depression. Yeah, Taco Bell taco used to be a fucking dollar. There's no dollar menu at McDonald's anymore unless you want like a fucking nugget. By the way, like I said, Apex is fucking 80% off for a couple more days, unless they extend the sale like the habitual sale extenders that they are. So does that $85 lifetime PA deal is going away on the 15th, allegedly. Allegedly, I don't know if it is. I don't know if it is for sure. They would be idiots to let that thing go away because I'm sure it's making them a ton of money. And then my fund the futures, although there's not a huge, the most you could get using the best. Yeah, Jamila, one nugget. Yeah, my funded futures is you get a whopping 5% off. Try not to spend that all in one place, but for $76, you could be all in with a funded account if you pass on the first try. You pass an eval. I passed my first eval that I ever got with my funded futures. It cost me $76 after putting in a coupon code. The best code ever. The goat of coupon codes is ZERODAYJAY for Take Profit Trader, Apex, my fund of futures. Bullinox is no longer offering the 90% off as of right now. I think they're only 83% off. But if you use coupon code ZERODAYJ, it will give you the best deal available, and you'll be supporting the channel. If you don't want to use the coupon code, no big deal. It's still cool. I'll let it slide. What is going on? Oh, we rejected off the 34 EMA. 9 points. This looks like a lot, but really I'm just zoomed the fuck into the chart. That's really what it should look like. It's not a huge move. But we're approaching the VWAP. I got an order down here. What up, Marvin? How long did it take me to pass my take profit trader 150Ks? Which time? Because there were a bunch that I failed, but the two that I just passed, it took me 5 trading days. Well, really 4. I pushed it over on day 4. Actually, day 4 was a monster day. It was like a 30 something hundred. It was like a $3,300 day or some shit like that. And it pushed me over. And then, so on day 5, I flipped the micro. So this time around, it took me 4 days. Not bad. I don't care if it would have taken me 2 weeks. I'm fine with that. Now I just got to activate it. Yeah, the most recent one, 4 days, Marvin. The ones I copy traded. Yep. Nice, Curtis. Great job, man. Pound the confetti for Curtis. He's making moves on in this shitty fucking. This is shitty. I mean, I'll take this. This wasn't bad. What up, Beano Trade? Oh, thanks, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support, bro. Thank you so much, Beano. It is the best code ever. Thank you, Curtis. It's the best code in the world. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, according to the prop firm streets, right? I can't confirm that shit with actual data, but the degen data in the chat tells me it's the best. Yeah, man. You just gotta you haven't gotten a payout ever yet, Curtis? Yeah, you just gotta, like, man, you gotta just take your time. The evals I get, like, you just want to get that shit over with. I'm the same way. But once you get the fun, the thing you gotta be careful of is not letting the bad habits of trying to pass evals in a handful of trades or one trade, you know, seep into how you trade a funded account. You know, it's definitely not the same strategy. You want to fucking take your time and chill, but you're so used to that adrenaline rush, that dopamine rush of trying to pump an account in one trade. Look at this fucking. That was interesting. 10 points one way. Now it's going the other way. Yeah. So you've gotten close. So what happened? You know what might happen with you, because it's happened to me a bunch of times, and it happens to a lot of people. Is you get so fucking close, you're right there. So you feel like you have to get it over right then and there. When you're that close, you're like, oh, I got to get this shit over. I want to just get it over with and be fucking done. And then what happens is you start. It's like even with an eval, the butthole tightens up. You start feeling the pressure that you put on yourself. Right? You're not. No one else is putting pressure on you but yourself. And instead of just waiting for the money setup, right? Instead of waiting for that fucking, like if you're getting that close to payouts, it's like, what did you do to get that close to the payout? Like, how did you trade, right? That's how you got to trade on that last fucking whatever trade's going to push you over. That you got to trade the same way, and you're probably waiting for setups. You're probably waiting for what you look for, and then the only issue that you might run into is like if you're on the last day and you got to fucking get the you really feeling the pressure to get that shit over. Otherwise, you got to wait another 2 weeks, right? So you just gotta just wait for your setups. Yeah, Curtis, man, look how many fucking accounts I smoked. Look at what I'm up to. I'm up to my 91st funded Apex account. I've only gotten paid twice. That's about to change. We're about to get paid. That's number 3, and these could be potentially 4 and 5, as long as this gets approved as number 3, right? Still got to wait for Apex to give me permission to get my money. What up, C. Charisse? What's good? That's interesting, Bowser. It's the same. the only thing I worry about with take profit trader is the daily loss limit. I don't care about the drawdown, especially on a 150K. You have 4,500 or whatever it is, 4,000 drawdown, 4,500. It's up there. You know, I'm more concerned about fucking the daily loss limit. Yeah, this fucking price action sucks for real. At least I got to take another trade. All right, guys, I'm getting fucking tired. I'm like ready to pass out. I hate to cut this short, but I oh what trading? Yeah, it is. Trading is definitely one of the best skills in the world. It could be fucking very lucrative. You could like where else? You know, there's some shit out there, but where else are like look how much money this is, right? Let's say this was a live account. Like this could be real money, right? But let's just say 317 take away 111, so 206, 531, 700, 736, 400, 11, 11, 16, 14, 16, basically $1,450 right here from a few hours of trading. You know, some people work all fucking week for that shit. Yeah, no problem. Thank you, Curtis. Yeah, man, you're just gonna keep getting better. Just keep getting better. That's it. Just skill up, learn from your mistakes. Just be confident knowing that every day you can get better and you are getting better. And then, you know, work towards getting those habitual payouts. That's what I'm working towards. Habitual payouts. Shit is great. Shit is great. Anyway, guys, I gotta fucking run. I gotta run because I'm fucking exhausted. I gotta wake up. I gotta do a bunch of running around in the morning, and I gotta activate a couple of accounts tomorrow. Just got a busy day. We all got busy days. Mine's gonna be a little busier than normal in the morning, so I want to get some sleep, and I gotta wake up. I gotta wake up in 3.5 hours to take my son to work, and then go back home and try to pass out for a couple more hours. So definitely want to catch some Z's. Um, with that said, guys, it's been a pleasure as always. Sorry once again about that audio in the beginning, but yeah. Oh, hey, if you guys, I know a lot of you are members of the Discord, right? But some of you might not be. So let me drop the Discord link in here. It's free to join. It's where the G-Gen fam hangs out. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. It's the headquarters for the DCA gang. It's the DCA gang's headquarters. That's a new one. And yeah, it's free to join. It's a safe house for degenerate prop firm traders, or just degenerate traders in general, futures traders, whoever, whatever you trade. It's a safe house for you. So you're not alone, right? Here's the link. It's free to join. You're more than welcome. Yeah, me too, Elise. I'm looking forward to it. I wanna join you and Jamila and Adrian in the land of being paid with those take profit trader accounts. I will be joining you guys. Anyway, with that said, guys, once again, smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Thanks for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. I will be on during New York. Look, if you don't get the notification, make sure you subscribe, right? If you're not yet subscribed. But if you don't get the notification, look for me at Power Hour. I will be on for sure, but I'll probably be on closer to around 2:30. All right, that's my goal is to get on around 2:30, and we'll stream to and through close as always till about 5 p.m. Eastern, and then we'll be trading. Right, at least you'll get to watch me trade like a degenerate and hang out with awesome people in the chat. With that said, thank you once again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be careful during PPI.